Countdown. Countdown, Ghost. We up and running.
Yeah. Kumele ubambe-ke
It's always from left to right.
Oh,
It's never
kusuka-
from right to left.
kusuka nini kusuka nini but ama-special episode aphelile guys aphelile ama-special episode i-World Cup iphelile sidliwe sonke musangithi sidliwe sonke sidliwe yeah sonke sidliwe so yeah it's another heated one ke manje siyaqala episode 26 right hey yeah sesikude ne welcome guys welcome viewers siphethe ubaba la babu bani konje Mr. K Takaza
Hey,
Shop
Matumana
kunjani?
Fede.
mnandi
Good,
mnandi
good. Yeah, welcome to it, guys. Another heated episode. Asiqhubeni yaqala isogile. Mr. KB, welcome to it, Abuti.
No, thank you guys for the invite. I saw about that
ulewe invite
invite.
hey siyabonga
Uzosithola senkingeni.
yes
Uzosithola la every weekend.
uyawazi ama-invite wala ekhaya ufika uzochaya hayi
Hey,
No, if it's bound to happen, go to be family, I'll be a family. Don't worry.
oh
I'm
oh,
up
you
to
are,
it.
you are open for an adoption.
Bona,
Hayi.
I'm always ready.
mara anyway since ayi-silent member njengale jam
Ke le pantsula la jam. Mtate o tlile le di-sponsorship wa bona daeleng ya hao ya ho bahiswe sharp.
Ma what about a little couple di pilaka?
Oh yeah. Ke sign.
It's a sign. It's
Ke
a
sign.
sign. No,
Ke sign ya hore
Mona ke na tempo mo.
oh ke PSL title ke Nedbank ke Black Label.
O kopa kopane.
Yeah,
Ke
treble for Kaizer Chiefs.
ke Toyota
Oh, Toyota! Yes!
Nade low.
ghost sawubona
Sanibonani, ngiyaphila.
Siyaphila unjani?
Does it?
Yes, welcome to it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to Timeline Radio Sports. And I'm the G lady of the house. So can we just get into it? So if first topic here to of the day, it's about the PSL awards. I think you guys saw Guti. We had AMA awards, I think.
On Monday.
Yeah.
Yep.
So I think sige sakhuluma ngayo before sisabona the nominees, but currently I just have questions because I think we also what has been happening in terms of the winners. I don't know Takauza, like do you have any winners mhlawumbe like impressile or someone maybe you were not expecting to win the award, but
Hey, yes, on this one, I wanted to abstain from this topic. I really didn't want to get into because I'm not happy, man. How can a team win a league in 1 point make a clean sweep ganj kuma awards? You know, as if like they were dominant, like they overpowered everyone that they came across. I was not impressed. Yes, sometimes bayathanda ukuthi sikhulume labantu and we try to be like ukuthi sithobela umthetho, but sometimes it becomes too obvious, man. I mean, there's a season, I think 2-3 seasons ago, Sundowns won the league by 23 points from number 2, but they never made a clean sweep Guma Awards. They shared AMA Awards, the team maybe go number 2. So what's so special about this one? It's like Bayans are too obvious. So Oban or in charge. You know, they'll make these awards to lose credibility by the way Bayenza isn't on accord. So I was just not impressed by the clean sweep Bayenzil. At least in fact you had players abaphuma kwamanye team who made an impact in this season. You understand? I mean, for one, take nothing away from Orile, but for the boy to win the third one, young player. Are you telling me there's no young player for the past 3 seasons? Ekukuthi uke wavelela nje waqama. The boy that just got signed by Sundowns from Golden Arrows. He had a wonderful season. If you check the numbers, he's a young player. Why was he not given that award? It was like manje ukuthi uboy kumele ahambe ayaqopha umlando. He must make a clean sweep. I can go on and on, man. Ngivimbeni tu ngiyanicela because I was not impressed, man.
No, but I just want to be clear with you, Bra. Even if Sundowns won the league, the best players were on Pirates. Pirates was dominating. No, wait, let me finish. Despite the 1 point difference, these young boys, let's talk about Raleigh. Raleigh deserves all that he won. I understand. We understand. No, we understand.
Guys,
Even if it happened with Sundowns, Raleigh begazo win still.
Okay.
Sorry,
then
sorry.
Apolisi was the best midfield.
udlala kuphi?
That one I totally disagree.
Okay. No, angithi we trying to now prove the point ukuthi kahle kahle akubanga fair somehow because like as much as sizothi really deserve everything mhlambe bazama ukuthi at least i-package it ukuthi makaya ngala ngithi kunemali vele involved. So
Okay.
makayoqala life yakhe ngara ayiqale at least amnandi abe uchispo
Or
nyana.
basically bamenzele favor.
But like esutakaza asho ukuthi kunamanye ama-decision abawathathayo ukuthi mawuthi uyabheka ukuthi if uzothi i-young player khona ama-player amancane kunaye okuwukuthi adlalile ayenza into futhi ene-sense even though ama-team wawo bathi awawinanga next njengabo Mkwena kanje awawinanga next babancishile.
But and if we check up ngenye indlela bafethu yazi i-PR it's very important izinto zabolavi zama PR it's very important in a footballer's career. Urile before January Urile was flat from the beginning of the season. Urile pick up after AFCON. That's when he came into play. That's when you could see ukuthi umfana ubambi groove. You understand? So you can't tell me ukuthi half a season that he played at the top level, then he deserves to be young player of the season, player of the season. Okay, player amachita maybe I'm frustrated Ntwana because it's voted by the players. Fair. Leo I can give it to him. You understand that because it's his peers abamugaye yona. But football of the season, umuntu odlale at his peak for 4 or 5 months. Guys, if ever there was someone who deserved, if Bebe Funugu a player le Perez, they could have given it to Apolis. Apolis has carried Orlando Pirates from beginning of the season until the end. And for them, Uguti Bamplafeng a midfielder of the season. He's not a midfielder. He didn't deserve that award. That award should have gone either go talent Mpata or go Tebu. As those are midfielders.
Basically, when Okalela, the Kabuyelo team.
No. That's why I want to abstain from this because it will seem like Nikalela Bona. But I'm saying if you have a team, a winner in league by 23 points. I mean, number 2 is behind by 23 points. That means that team was dominant. That team, it was on fire the whole season. And come PSL Awards, Tito won I think players player that season. Mfukeng won young player of the season. They shared the awards amongst players that were number 1 and number 2. But the gap was 23 points, meaning Uguti, there was no one near them for that season. But this season, 1 point, suddenly you make a clean sweep Guma Awards. Come on, guys, take us serious.
And I think going to Karabone, the issue here is maybe we don't favor Pirates or anything. Because even abantu who are having this argument, they're not saying I pick abantu outside of the Pirates who deserve to to win these awards. We're still saying ukuthi there are players within the Orlando Pirates who deserve to win certain awards. You understand? Because of us, nasangathi okay, imidlalo film emeliye kubani bani nakuba ngathi na we jealous of the Pirates. We're saying it's okay within the Pirates still there are certain players who deserved awards aye kubo raid. You understand? And also to me guys, youngest player of the season, find the best newcomer of music.
Exactly.
You understand? You can't be best newcomer for 3 seasons in a row. You understand? Yes, maybe you might be one of the youngest still on that season, but this current season there are other younger players. You know, he had a good season, that boy. You understand? So no really for me, and also really he played few games. He didn't play the whole season. Yeah, but so there it's a bit questionable. You know, because another thing as well, all these awards are you go Orlando Pirates. 95% of awards now are you go Orlando Pirates. And you know what this thing is? Indibulala Masama Awards, because now you're going to these awards already know who's gonna win. You understand? The moment Sama Awards now it's gonna die. I'm telling you. People who number one, they'll never attend anymore. You understand? Because the whole season the Pirates being at Lali one. I don't know if it makes sense. So right now, if awards won't because the award they have no, because he had more goals. You can't manipulate that one. But all of these awards only go to me one. So more or less the whole season they scrapped that whole team.
Moment of silence. Injani Pirates. Shark to like yawini league kwathuleka mos.
Okay, so going back to what you said, Neta Kauza, because Nyakumbula, we had this conversation before Nama nominees. So you highlighted the point yaga a police good you don't understand why Afage in that category because he's not like part of in middle field. Ne? But you've been raising in the Waga Gari, right? So including you, Stumza, because I'm going to back to my question. So my question was, just a minute. So my question was, which player impressed you the most? You understand? Because I think most of AMA awards, yes, they did go to Orlando Pirates, and some people still feel like they don't. Not all of them, most of them. They people still feel like Abawa deserve, you understand? Because I also saw a debate yaga CM. You know, we have people like Abu CM. I was
Defender of the season.
yes, I was expecting maybe you could touch on that since he was there from season Michael, you understand? Well,
Go on.
no, angirais could be a season Michael yeah, because I know guys and then you know, such people I was expecting maybe you could highlight not only him but you could highlight maybe you have certain players about in Brazil and you feel like they deserve it. As much as when with some of the people they don't deserve AMA awards about what we need. Going back to point you said at this point you don't think Uguti Wamele Simbege as a youngest player because he's no longer the youngest player. Do you have anyone, because the people that you're mentioning now Mina Angazeng Baboni during the whole season, Badla, you understand? So it's a matter of saying Guti really don't deserve it, but I think Guti this player was supposed to be there from the first place. Not only to say Guti really I deserve, but you don't have anyone.
Yeah.
But
The one Loyana oyenze ama medical Orlando
asikhulumi ngalokho Takauza. Asikho lapho nje. Okay, but angithi there's a
okay. Mina ghost for me, nane. To be quite frank now, I strongly believe ukuthi football of the season should have went to a police. That for me I won't back down from. Player of the season for me now it was a police. A police played fantastic. He carried that team from beginning to the end. For me now, I think Uguti he should have gotten a player of the season for me. Well, since well president ama 2K I think kumele bachinche ne-design yale young player of the season because he has won it 3 times in a row. Angithi ne-league mayithathe kayi-3 bayichange i-design. So ne-young player next season kumele bayichinche leya trophy leyana ibe different because leyana siyeke yakamfukeng. Well, since when, but I strongly believe ukuthi uNdlovu had a strong claim to that award. I understand. Midfield of the season. Angithi it seems like standard procedure say PSL is that you must win the league in order for you to win awards. But funny enough, there was a time whereby Upeni came second in the Amazulu, but he was chosen as the coach of the season. So for me now, midfield of the season, because of it should have went to a Pirates player. I'll say talent but should have gotten a midfield of the season. And the defend of the season, Lebona Siema.
There was a time la beyangadlali khona. Angithi nayo ke waphuma as much as urile. Kunala beyangadlali khona.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's just that yena wonke amagame awadlalile it's either there was a draw or a win, not a lose.
And he
So,
stood out.
So why is that
For me, he stood out.
Okay.
And remember what players have moments, ne? But every time you can go check your Pirates, every time Umbata I go that lineup, he stood out from the rest. So for me, I'll say midfield of the season. Olebone, he had a good season, a very good season.
Yeah.
Many of us probably thought Orlando Pirates was going to struggle since well Umbogaza Hambil, but that boy stepped up, and then for me now, I really don't have much questions regarding award yake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Karabo, do you have anything to say about the coach of the season?
Not really, but I think Giraffe deserve a shame. To be honest, I think we deserve Giraffe. Because that guy, when he came, everyone, let me just say, disrespected the guy. Umthathele phansi bambiza ngamagama, but he proven himself ukuthi mina I can do this. The Sundowns that was dominating Ishayabo Chiefs in that guy made sure what I'm gonna close that gap. Yes, Sundowns, but there's no more 10 different points in I mean I think too.
Guys, I wanna ask, man. Actually, level coach is a bit tricky in a sense of team. Already, Magafigu Wadu Pirates. Already it was a working system. Basic mover. I believe it's any coach because of Figu Pirates that time because of achieve whatever that Wadu achieved, right? And Kumbula is this thing about maybe in a manj. Mangapi more comments. They always Orlando Pirates fans. They're always saying thank you so much to the Spanish guitar, which is their previous coach, because they understand what is the one who laid the foundation, Ushe Unkindo, so it's solid, right? But for me, I think the season, because this season it's going to be wild, all on him. You understand? I think Konangzo Konu personally, Konangzo Konu check as coach Wadu, okay, what is he gonna do? Yeah, because this is that guy already share Unkindo Mnandi. They should just be honest, you understand? So he was just fun about the figure after is it Pizza who Sundowns. Already figure Pizza already Sagale foundation to grand, you understand? Even though now it's starting to dip a bit. Because over some children jungle lawyer go last forever and ever, you know. So same goes to your parents. So I think with any because how many times did you guys called him a plumber? Even though your parents be couldn't win games, you understand? Because when I got the way bega a substitute on a corner, you had my parents fans had issues with that as well. Yeah, but like I gotta be sure what's really going on. Even the season says open, but I gotta be sure kwamba, you know. So I think this season moving forward, so konukubona manje ukuthi okay, is this why do that we believe ukuthi uye or kanjani, you know. And also judging was bakabuya Marumo, ne? How was the track record in Marumo Colors?
It was fair for a mid-table team.
You understand? So also team where goyo, it plays a big role nakon. Ukuthi ithole performance kangakanani. Awuqala from scratch. Akufana abantu mele bo coach abo Chiefs because mele baqala from phansi ba build and everything, you know. So for me I think with him actually this season it was a bit tricky, man. This season it was a bit tricky. I think that's one for me. I think that's one for me personally. He did good with KwaMazulu, more especially Persistent writer of as a coach. You understand? And then Ayagwa Mazulu, Amazulu, they perform better, man, compared
They
to
do.
Amanya Masin. Like for me, Atazwan as a coach of this in bring up by content.
Do you have anything to say, Stumza, based on that?
I think, man, obviously it wasn't going to be fair. Uguti, I'm a player, attach almost everything that is on offer, and then they say the captain or Uguti, we controller everything. They sang at max. So we have to give credit where it's due, because at the end of the day, kono coach anga figure for change your game, for prove a certain point because of anga for same style or something like that. We ended up like actually complaining ngokuthi usaba like bigger squad, so that means akuso coach for like a bigger team. But uziprovile mina, for me I think uziprovile, guys, even if noma singaze sithi simnikeza another season or so, but uziprovile nakho kuzoya ngokuthi amanye ama team futhi aphakamisa kangakanani. So le edlulile, hayi, no, big ups to the guy.
Okay.
Fine, ngasho right phakanyana.
Okay, so moving on to our second topic, it's about Banyana Banyana and the WAFCON. So currently we're having one of the biggest tournaments, which is WAFCON, that is taking place in Morocco. And out of all the things that have been happening, Sizoitasa let's it back to here in South Africa and focus only on Ibanyana Banyana for now. I think we all saw the game, the first game, the Bandala against Tanzania. Yeah, and yeah, they lost 2-1. But one of the things is in the team that was just, I don't know, outstanding, or as Zenzugutumonda Bugega cool, it was the empty stadium that we saw. We saw Guti, they don't have a support. And going back to what we saw that time, Begui World Cup, or even if Kwama AFCON, when it comes to Ibola Wantu Beslisa, it's different. You understand? Like they get support from us, the South Africans, Yabon. So when it comes to them, it was different. And I don't think it's a good thing. But I just want you guys to show maybe, is there anything of feeling that it's lacking when you compare a hype with the men's football? Like, is there anything missing? Maybe in terms of marketing, probably they don't market well. That's why isn't as the raising our con.
It's still gonna go a long way, guys.
Yeah.
Umele si accepting this thing with football, it's not gonna be the same. Like the Ibafana Bafana and Banyana Banyan, those are two different departments. Even if no bangaze but imali by news by bega the same level, it's not gonna be the same. Remember Uguchi, like what happened in the World Cup, it was based on like advert and not what, so other companies booking in Mali in terms of like Uguchi bar spawns and so we looking at now into Kotubi race which stadium it was empty. So that's the other reason why imali ngafakwa kangako like kubanyana banye. So it's gonna take man decades Uguchi sithathe ibanyana banyana serious when it comes to football.
Did you watch even the match?
Le.
Yes.
Yeah, I did, man. Cause
Image or highlights?
image, no, don't worry, image. You know, even Nabanta complain banyana which they lost and all that. Yeah, if you have watched that game, you will understand which banyana was there. Like they had something like 23 or 20 something shots.
Yeah.
Like already they were dominating the game. It's just that they were unfortunate.
Sakaza, did you watch?
No, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I
What did
didn't.
you watch?
No, I didn't.
But you knew about Guti, there's a match taking place on the day.
Yeah, I knew.
Okay, because years in Tesenzegili Guti, Banyana was playing on the day, ne? But even
At the awards.
the awards were taking place on
Same
the
time.
same time, same evening, same day. Yabo. So that's why I'm even asking you guys, Nina, as an individual, did you watch Benazingai? Because apart from investors coming in or whatsoever, when are you even interested in watching such football? Or
I did not watch awards. Angazi nokuthi manikhuluma ngabo rile ukuthi ngithi bayenzeni. Like I'm not interested in like the causa concussion le eyenzeka ngalena, so like kumele siyobuka into eziserious.
Yeah, mina I for one I believe ukuthi football, as much as city gender equality and stuff, but guys, maybe I'll sound sexist, and maybe if I do, I apologize, but if ubukela tennis, ne, Serena Williams akagqoki nje ngo Roger Federer, it distinguish ukuthi it's a female athlete and a male athlete. And I believe some time ago it was raised ukuthi abantu besimame abadlala ibhola, they should be wearing like, not say ama riding rough dance, no, they are playing football, but in order for them to attract viewers and sponsors, you have to distinguish between a male and a female. Did you see the arrival of those females, Mabafega, arriving for riding the WAFCON, before they could their arrival, like
The tracksuits.
they were wearing suits,
Okay.
male suits, like you wonder ukuthi hey
Mama
khona
Nabisi.
uya isihlakela nje sentombazana isihlakela, and
Halala.
you then you go watch the product, guys. Let's just be frank about this one. Then you go watch the product ukuthi lesihlakela lesengisibone singena lapha sigqoke intsenga, will he produce the same product engibonayo mangibukele abo Mamadou K? Ungahleki ghost, like I'm serious on this one, like ngathi ngithatha serious guys, like yes, there's still a long way to go for female football to be taken serious. And I'm not saying ukuthi abantu amantombazana mawadlale ngamabikini, I'm not saying that, but let us see ukuthi we're watching females, but like amantombazana ayalengisa ngathi abo tekomdise ikhindi zingaphansi ezi, like come on man. Maybe I'm looking
Okay,
at this
but
the wrong way.
I think the challenge when it comes to that, it's because of their, what do you call gender? What? It's not a gender. I don't know what it is. And about, more for this part about LGBT. What's what? I don't know the way that I said it aside. It's very difficult for them to wear such things, because I think we're even having a record breaking Leoguti, a couple was playing
Yes,
in
yes,
Dogal.
yes,
To understand,
yes.
Guti, some of them or most of them are lesbians, so vele they will dress like men, or even outside of football, they dress like abafana or amadot. Hence, it will be very challenging for them to wear the way when ufuna ngakhona. I think that's why even other countries bavele bayivala this thing. Yoguti women should participate or even go to a stadium, because I think I stand to be corrected. Even I'm a Muslim, I need to they're supposed to bavale, but it's impossible. Hence, they don't participate within Dezinjal. I think I
Yeah,
get your point, but I just wanted to highlight that, which probably that's why singing is babona mhlawumbe ngigidi, because vele omunye uyindoda kwakhe. So yabo.
You know, I think the biggest problem here for Banyana Banyana is political. Politics are the ones that about causing this whole damage for Banyana Banyana. There's funding. And I'm gonna be honest. There's funding for Banyana Banyana, marketing, everything, transportation, everything. But if it was on Bafana Bafana, okay, starting from Iwel Capital, you would see good labat about the backup your mali, Ibafana Bafana. You never could even hear a single player iya ku-social media complain ukuthi there's no support, there's no what. You understand? On this one, now I blame the minister. If you go to England, ne? If you go to England, there's e-league yabafasi. Ama-team onke anama-player wabafasi. If you come to South Africa, we lack in there. If ever i-league ikhona, I don't even know ukuthi ikhona i-league. Ngibona nje ngathi kudlalwa boba-Champions League. Sundowns naye sewine boma-10-0 in kupiki-piki, kupiki-piki, understand? If ever there was full support from Oprah Gayton, you understand? Gayton was gonna say, Abafethu, let's support Banyana Banyana. Banyana ina support. It doesn't have support.
You remember what the Kauda said, Aishilo, no? The same thing when we once said, no Rashid, remember? And I will state the same thing with the Kauda Aishilo. That's why it's going to be hard for them to attract sponsors,
yes.
you know. But on this one, man, coming to you, Karabane, I support you, you know. Because already there was a budget ebikhona for you support Bafana Bafana. Kaza kaphiwa nama artist abantu banganandaba nebhola, but they were funded to go and support or do whatever they are America and everything yabo. So I expected the same thing, because definitely they knew from Kudala ukuthi has a tournament chair. They knew, you understand? Mama planner for World Cup already should be a unit or a department, a planner for WAFCON, you know, it's okay. We know what's after World Cup, immediately we're jumping to this, you understand? But also already right now, those number one fans, those Mama Choice, but we're already more fun the foot to go, because it's embarrassing to go and play, not even a single person who's there to support you, you understand? It's not even Kugute. Where are they playing? Morocco, you understand? So for me that, I think, because even other teams, they're suffering from the same thing, but I think they failed like big time. Let's just forget about other things and they should take out. They should be, if there is a budget, okay, how many super fan like Mela about your support, because it's been like that. You understand why this time around different? And these girls, they perform better than Bafana Bafana. They've won this thing not so long ago. You understand? For me, being expected to support Ibe Bahaya, because even after they've won AFCON, there were certain issues good about holy sharpu. You understand that there were issues, and for me, they are bringing in results. You know, so I believe because in they should be earning almost similar to Amachita, based on good support, they bring good results whenever they go out and play. Do you get? So for me, I think the minister on this one, it's fine. You understand? And we're talking about any support at all. When it comes to marketing, for me, I didn't watch it. I only saw my highlights. Understand? Good media, there's nothing. According to the trend right now, how is it? There is no support. You understand? So for me, I think as Abantaba responsible for this whole thing, I think Bafambulile.
No, but in fact, you know, in terms of Ugutibahol and Nanan, it's not going to be the same, guys. Like, honestly speaking, it's going to take a while before Sinati Imali, Yalahlelo Lapayana. Even now, Mama Joy, then I got an interest to the game. Banyana, our Muntus man. So, like, it's gonna take a lot. Yes, but eating the line, but a nigga lookalike lady. Yeah. So if the argument it was Inivia wanna come and sponsor you, but now you look like a nigga, you look like me, so promoter kanjani like Inivia or Itav or whatever, all those soft things. So somehow kumele sibe realistic, guys, ukuthi lento le gender equality, as much as sifuna push as it's something that is not gonna actually just happen like that. We need to accept that we are here not to compete with each other, but just to complement each other. So okay, abadlali mangabe bafuna ukudlala bahave fun, so chithi isithukuthezi ngabo mangabe siborekile, but it's not gonna be the same. It's not like ukuthi I'm watching Mbappe. And also remember ukuthi South Africa it can't because we are that mini Europe, so we don't even have a league established. I've seen these Kaizer Chiefs ladies, bafika baya dominate abashaya abantu abadala bakhona laphana kule engine league leyakhona. Just imagine these people are scoring like 6, 4 or like on a daily basis. And you can even look in the way ama game wakhona structured ngakhona. They are playing maybe Monday and then they are playing Tuesday. They are playing Wednesday. It doesn't make sense. So now so phile kahle uthi uyobukela ibhola. Uzohlala use stadium every day. It does like it doesn't make sense.
Sokuthi nina nithathe serious lento le. Because if England can do it, thina as South Africans sihlulwa yini? The money is there.
Okay, sihlulwa ukuthi it's not about imali at the end of the day. As in order for something to be recognized, it takes isikhathi. You need to build that rapport. You need to yabona like actually that goodwill. We're not gonna just go and say ukuthi khona manje siyobukela. One thing engayenzeka, if the Kaizer Chiefs ladies will take the league layer ebe look dominated by Sundowns since ever, it will show ukuthi this thing is a joke. There is no way a team inga-establishwa like this season. Currently, seyifikile seshaya wonke umuntu like nje akuna next nje ecacile. What these other ladies were doing. Lababanye. And how many ladies do we have mhlawumbe sizothi ala South Africa they are playing overseas? There are very few.
Yeah, okay, in terms of a league yet, let me correct this one. Sundowns ladies is not in the same league ne Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs egu Motsepe League, Sundowns ladies egu PSL ye ladies soccer.
Right,
so
no.
I just want to adjust the levels.
Guna that tournament that they are playing, Sundowns is there.
Oh,
No,
maybe
yeah, that, I don't know whether it's top what. Guna tournament yana bayidlalayo currently.
or layer no.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
bese ngithi
Yeah.
maybe uthi
No,
about
they are
but-
Sundowns is there, and by Summer Flames still there. So
yeah, but mina in closing when I was just gonna say ukuthi yabona what I said earlier it might sound ukuthi injani, but beside uLinda riding, they have capability. Ulinda nobani konjelo bege gqoka number 12. No, not to chain. This one bege gqoka 12 full retired man from international football. Udlala eMexico mntombazana khona. Like you know ukuthi asithi ibhola lidlalo hile queen. But those ladies are marketable. Like they are easy on the eye ukuthi ungambukela. Very talented but also man young frustan. So I'm not saying ukuthi kuthathwe ile queen zifakwe grounding and stuff like that, but I'm just saying ukuthi guys smitten halfway, like you know smitten halfway bafethu, like yabo it's the same like yabona guys, we can say all we like yabona sports esikuthi worldwide sithandwa or sidlalwe amadoda kuqala. You can check ukuthi ama Proteas when it comes to cricket, they are not that like there's not that wow mabadlala ama World Cup bedlala not so long ago. Ama Springbok female team iyadlala nayo, but there's no that because natural guys, like those things are for men, like mangathi ukuthi ezamadoda, but in brackets like those are sports that we know ukuthi men are dominant in. So when you bring in females, kumele ube something extraordinary ezwenza ukuthi people to stand up and take note of what you guys are doing as females.
I also
Alright.
okay.
Ask his ghost. I'm gonna say this and I need you to tear it. Ithi Banyana Banyana iye phambili like kuma stages. You'll see ukuthi our government are opportunist. You'll see that. This one I want you to tear it. Ubheke nje bafike kuma final. Same applies to what happened previously when they won. The spotlight was there. But through the campaign, bekunyiwa. You understand? No, I have to. No, I'm just being realistic. Bayabayuza labantwana. Right now, they feel like they
Even
got
the
a fame.
media.
Everyone, even yourself, you have a use our phone.
No, don't put words into
No.
my mouth. No, wakatsho jwalo, hle monna.
No, you can't expect me to wear in a certain way for you to love me.
I'm not saying that. Wabona that is okay. No, man. This guy is,
No, we
don't
we-
take
we-
it
we
out of
can,
context.
we can.
the way
Jali.
ke bua ka teng. Like,
We can.
I get it.
So
Wabona
senza
se kame
ama-example
ke justify
a-dangerous
jwalo.
manje, si-
Go-
In closing, I think your last point, I do understand it, and I also, at some point, felt it the same way. This thing has nothing to do with politics. Has nothing to do with I just feel like it has nothing to do with whatever Tinesi Hlangansanayo. It's even outside of football on its own or esports. Going back to what you mentioned in tennis, I watch tennis. As much as I follow women's tennis kakulu, I understand it better, or I know everyone compared to football. I mean men, ne? Yeah. So ngibona ukuthi they also don't get the same thing. So I'll come back to Africa. It's not only Banyana lebe idlala on an empty stadium. Abo Senegal, like even other teams or club, nations, countries, whatever, they were playing guma empty stadiums. So for me, it was like, yes, we can market or do whatever to get everyone on board or be interested, but I just felt like it has something to do with us as an individual or our upbringing. Hence, I said this thing has nothing to do with politics or sports or anything. I think as Africans, kunalento lokuthi umuntu wesifazane umuntu wasendlini. We understand that. Yes, umuntu wasekhaya. So you going out there doing izinto is like you challenging the other gender, or yeah, I understand. But I'm not taking anything away from women participating in whatever thing about Filuguti they can do it. But I just felt like we can do it. We can fundraise, we can advertise, we can market, but I don't think the level will be the same, because women vele, according to us Africans, asibazi belapho. You understand?
The appeal won't be the same. We can try all we want.
I
The-
also felt that way, but it has nothing to do with. I just feel like with yinto yethu nje us as Africans. Yes, maybe about base Europe they can take it different. Ungabona stadiums igcwele and whatsoever. Because I remember even the last World Cup, I didn't mind ukuvuka ngo4 ngibhekelele banyana, and stadium were packed. Even if idlalela ngale, but nakhona bebaba khona abantu, you understand? So thina ngapha siyithatha different because of that stereotype yethu yokuthi women are just supposed to be at home taking care of kids or whatever. But yeah, I just think that was my last point. Unless
When they play home, let's say badlalele Dobsonville,
yeah.
kunabantu, the supporters, ama-supporter khona. It goes back to that thing ukuthi ama-super fan akuphi, why angathathwanga ayiswe lapho. It goes back there.
I think Nakono right. That's when we bring in whatever engte asi kipen, which is politics or whatever outside impacts ngacabanga ukuthi have influence when it comes to whatever that is happening. Yes, I think even Chico did raise the fact ukuthi Way is our Minister of Sports, because akazange azasho anything after keep him at 30 million, to support other people. It's not fair, and we're hoping ukuthi maybe this I don't know, it's
It's 7,399. 7,000.
Attendance,
It's
yeah,
a-
ama-fans.
That's poor. Yeah. And
No,
ukhumbula
that's not
I-
poor.
I-
That's
noma ngithi
something.
poor ukhumbule badlalela eMorocco ngithi.
Mm.
So kulo 7,000 compared to kuma-stadium angena 90,000 yabantu.
Yeah, but it's something for females.
Is it for one game or for?
Bathi per match
So i-ratio.
i-ratio yami.
But it's something. It's something.
So no, bathi actually no, right because bathi 7,399 but bracket 925 per match, 925 per match. Does it mean good about
Yeah.
less than
So-
1,000 who
Yeah.
went?
Who have attended
Yeah,
AMA
it's
games?
bad.
So
It's bad.
And guys, we can. I'm gonna tell you one thing. Yabona, we are all on socials. I like to believe. I have never seen my mutual female friends on Twitter, on Facebook, commenting or posting about Ibanyana Banyana. You
Yeah.
see why? Because Abafana they give a better bana mapied
like-
angithi basha amathepa fade angithi izinto ezithandwa abobana bosisa angithi. So
True.
why?
Amantombazana.
Exactly, because
Angayenzi into
you
ezithandwa
ask a female
abafana.
khona manje ukuthi who wears jersey number 10 kubanyana banyana, you can make a pool, see ukuthi abantu they will have to go Google ukuthi who wears number 10, but ask the ladies ukuthi ubani ogqoka number 10 kubafana bafana president ama 2K. It's the appeal, guys. So without that, awwa. Okay, Mara, it's fine.
All right.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
we're done.
guys, it's fine. I ngiba passionate ngale topic le. Let's see.
While we're still onto that, we'll jump into the Egypt women team. So news have been circulating about their team badge. So the Egypt women team wears 7 stars above their badge. So according to them, the stars celebrate the men's 7 AFCON titles. And there's have been a debate regarding that. So I don't know, what's your take on that? Like, do you guys maybe agree with the decision? Yoguti, maybe in like we should take our achievements.
No. Then abashatanga not in community property.
Istar uyasebenzela mntase.
Yeah.
You need to earn that star. You understand? What
Yeah.
it takes you 10 years to get a star, usitholile. Babasebenzela
usitholile.
ukuthi ngina 0 ngizosithola one day.
Mangabe uzosithola.
Okay,
Understood.
for me. Ish lama khotman with 0. It's fine, man. Mamel, I don't know ukuthi isebenza kanjani kuma national teams, but I think it should be a CAF issue, or because Mamelodi Sundowns ladies has won 2 Champions Leagues, is Africa, but but the male team bebe look bafake Stacy 1. So why should now the Egyptians national team bafake ama accolades that were won by males, yet kube sithathe lesi Sundowns ladies sasiletha ku Badger Sundowns kube sesishange nge4 manje. Uyang understand? So CAF should rectify that, maybe ukuthi not unless manje so kuyi part and parcel ye emblem ukuthi emblem yethu njengale team le esizokhuluma ngayo na
Okay.
ene igaqa ezi3.
Okay.
But also it goes back to itopic ebesikhuluma ngayo ukuthi even them they don't take them serious.
Yeah.
If bazoba like bathathe ipride yamajita bayifake then kubo then bese bahamba ngayo then abazithathi serious, they might as well have stayed home and then bagqoka ikipa lezo emakhaya ukuthi no, this is our national team jersey ineta ezi7 and then sizigqoka zi7 because amajita iwawinile. But if nabe bazithatha serious bekumele ngabe bathi no, thina ijezi lethu alina star up until siziwinela thina ita zethu.
No. Kahle simply means utakauza. The only women's team I recognize is Sundowns.
No.
Yeah, but of course,
I think you're right.
and it goes back. Simply means Sundowns ladies is better than Sundowns guys
Why?
because they won first.
No.
No, my man.
Because I think ignored.
Please.
No. it simply means ukuthi i-Sundowns ladies beyidlala yodwa. That's why bedlala. No, abana competition at the end of the day. Like you should understand ukuthi even nalento le eyama team dale lokhu ikhulunywa ukuthi wonke ama team adlala kwi-CAF kumele abe ne ladies team nanani but bebaloku bangayithathi serious lento le even if uzobona i-team ene financial muscle engaka like i-Kaizer Chiefs but we struggle ukuthi establish like a ladies team with whatever that they have. Labantu laba bane marketing bana everything. Kaizer Chiefs manje it's winning nothing. It's only winning with social media because of they can be able to ukuthi ba push ama fans wabo aqhubeka i-support yenze like whatever la yenza. But still they were failing ukuthi babe a simple thing like ladies nje ukubalanda nje kitchen fast uzani nizodlala ibhola bese niyabuyela futhi niyogeza abantwana. Come on guys.
Okay.
Well, we're still on to that. Stumzo Star. I'm just asking.
Oh,
Star.
Star.
Okay. Since well, that's ngazo today. Which moved me to.
Oh, ngistar or ngistar.
I said we star.
Shooting star.
Yes. How? So we have Kruger United, and their kit, right? So the Kruger United introduced a new kit with 3 stars above their club badge. So the fans have been asking, so they want to know if the star, what does the star represent, and also should club only wear stars for official trophies? If let's say ilogo yeti ne star, because of now we into this PSL.
What's the story behind? Did you find out what's the story behind those 3 stars?
Yeah, I think into ezotecture manje ukuthi kumele zibe khona bezingabikho.
Yeah, because yazi kungenzeka kanjani uthola ukuthi angithi Kruger iyafika. So i-team engisupportayo mina la elokishini usudodwa ne, and they bake bawina i-tournament ebizwa ukuthi iKasi World Cup kaPowe, and mabayenze merchandise yethu ama support basifakile star. so sine star saka Powe. Maybe iKruger nayo ikhuphuka nazo letale ezikudala win ama Kasi World Cup, so it does shade. We'll never know until we find out what's the meaning behind those stars.
Yeah, but now they are on the premier level. La is stars again. You earn a star.
Maybe they are not aware.
So Karabo, you're saying if maybe because if let's assume Guti does abo the way Takasa explaining akon. So you're saying Guti mele maybe achievement above Pansi because it was also, I think it's part of the history up. If it's that way,
exactly,
it's part of the history up. So now they should cancel whatever because now they're here.
And
let me just check
and remember ukhoza was Thembisa ukuthi uzosepha ama stars for ama league amaningi ekumele so angene underneath i-crest yama team. Angisakhumbuli the criteria bake khulumile ukuthi after winning a league for the 3 consecutive years you're gonna get 1 star if you win it for.
So you're bringing that up because Ganguti
No, he made a promise in a public platform. So I believe Uguti a committee should hold him accountable. Uguti, you have never delivered because I believe Uguti Kaizer Chiefs was supposed to get 1, Pirates was supposed to get 1. Mamelodi Sundowns I think was supposed to get 4 if not 5. I don't know. Yes.
Actually, okay, wait guys. The episode is about Sundowns.
No, it's not about Sun, but it is on their crest.
Yeah, because now ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi why but I couldn't explain ukuthi why banama stars ayi3 bawuthole kanjani because the team leader was formed in 2023 and looking at my accolades over from 2023 to now there's nothing ekhuluma ukuthi banga-acquire bangathola i-star abafuna ukuthi indaba ye-star I've searched everywhere.
Maybe it's part of their badge.
Yeah, maybe indaba ye-badge.
Oh, you know what I'm thinking? Inamalogo lawo ChatGPT. There's something
Yeah,
there.
that's what I'm
Inamalogo
saying.
lawo and ngisho ilogo bayicreate manje
Yeah.
why is it specifically kuba ama
That's
3
phezulu.
Z3
That's what I'm saying. They need to.
after backlash yeah.
They need to. Bagera
Oh,
go the
but-
professional level now.
So ama-raise engaka asebenze lapho ukukhipha lezo yitara.
Embroidery. We must ask uRanzani. He'll tell us ukuthi kuthatha isikhathi esingakana ukukhipha embroidery.
No love right now. And kumele ube specific cause usebenzise igama laka Lavi. They should viewers should know which we are not talking about Umama Ndlina.
You guys. Okay, so can we move on unless you have anything to touch based on the star
The
game?
stars? No. So I'm a shooting star.
So moving on, we're going to Kaizer Chiefs new signing, which is
Yeah.
No man, it's not a new signing per se. So the reason why I included this on our topic today, sometimes I wanted us to check how we media push certain narratives. Yeah, because already they want to make it a race thing, right? There is a new signing from Orlando Pirates, Sebastian from Norway, right? So they were comparing ama states wakhe nama states waka Silver, right?
Yeah.
Ama states ka Silver, they were very massive. You understand? Compared to the new signing Pirates. By the media, they didn't push that. Kumbule we were given narrative to Silver winkomo, Silver, you understand?
Akekho mnandi.
Akekho mnandi nanani, and by that we never went to go and check ama states. Okay, ama states banjani. But looking at ama states wakhe, those ama states ka Silver, they were very impressive. For a striker vele, and it makes sense why busy akora la makola akora ku Chiefs, you understand? Because abanye bathi ay uyawachayisa, you understand? But from where he's coming from, can I go ama states up? Okay, Silva he played 78 matches, then he scored 39 goals, right? Nama assist out 10. Then Peterson, he played 117 matches with 51 goals and 8 assists, you know. So looking at Master Silva played lesser games and scored more goals. The guy played more games but scored lesser goals, you understand? But now social media is pushing the narrative with this guy is the best striker ever corner, you know. So I wanted to check from you guys what's your take, you know, because sometimes we end up being blinded by social media, the good PR that we always talk about, you know. Then we focus on that, not the actual achievements or accolades as a player.
No.
Hey, bangenze ngayobuka ama-clip wa this guy. Like yazi ngabona the last season eBhakani ngabona lamagoli lawa ama-own goal angacacanga. That guy ukora ezinye izinto ezingacacanga nje.
Is it angamcheck?
Okumbheke Lola bro. Ayala brother of mine ethi hey ngizwile bathi bekadlala noYamali Pirates kusale kancane say noYamali.
No, I believe when as Dooms ukuthi the hype around the guy it's the fact ukuthi Norway just did wonders ku World Cup. Yeah, understand? And now it's easy ukuthi hype umuntu onjalo sengizwile sebambiza uBaby Haaland.
Enemdala kuhala.
The Viking King, what? You understand that? So remember what the Norwegians they made a vibe lapha eAmerica ngepassion yabo ku stadium. So it's easy ukuthi we can associate nomjita singakamboni nokumbona because of in a way iyenze grand ku World Cup and then now basayina a striker naso siyenza ama ponytail njengonto ngomjita So you put one and one together, you get two good guy. They've sent quality.
And abantu bazoshaya eBrazil and ama-Brazilians siyawazi musa.
So question is, Umchita will he fit in well to Pirates?
I mean angibona uthi jonge.
Utijongo ye ku private school or
Ngimbona ukuthi
Yeah.
Personally, put hate aside, he might. If the Kaizer Chiefs, that's my tip. I was gonna be worried, understand? Based on how they play, when you're born, but the Pirates, they scored more goals last season. You understand? So they are possible. Maybe that means it's up how they supply each other and everything. Maybe he can. Yeah, for me, I think angachela just go to Utijong or Spicy Seal. But Utijong bagabia gupi. We are like PSL, right?
yeah,
So
New Zealand.
that's why. But with this guy, if the Pirates do what they can continue with that. You understand? And he's a strike. I'm saying goals. They need to be supplied. But I'm supply. I think he can score. He's a good
I
finisher.
refuse, man. I
Yeah.
refuse.
Maybe they have something as because in honest fact, if you check Mtanaga Koko wanna say see the opportunities that they missed last season. Maybe if Umchita is a tapping merchant, then maybe he'll bury those chances.
Okay, my point was abantu abakorile kuPagania, it's not it right as a Pagania. So yeah, angeke as much as bakora amagoli amaningi, but it was not it right. So ama false nine umabasa nini.
No, I'm just saying, who is striker at Kupagani? He had
Yeah.
54 goals, you understand?
Overall.
Yeah,
Overall.
but he should be Mdlalisi. Because Makazala Mabas was always scoring, to be honest. Just good to Ishmanch, Mdlalisi. And we know always to good basis booze was why Mdlalisi. You understand? So for me, I don't think gonna issue with a striker Pirates our core. Apparently with that one striker that we always have issues with, you understand?
The hardworking.
Yeah, but we had Mabas was scoring, a hat trick, was doing whatever, all of those things, you understand? As a striker, as a Pirates. So this guy is a strike. If they can do the right thing, he can score them.
He'll finish those
He will
chances.
finish those chances.
Okay,
Okay,
let's say-
something
Okay, let's say on the first game of the league, here, Pirates, do you really think uzoqala uzoba on the starting lineup?
Based on the hype, yeah.
Is it because of the hype or because of performance?
I watched him on the camera video on YouTube, right? Kumbule into abakhuluma ngayo, abantu bakhala ngayo ukuthi musu ku PSL asina finish. Akrend, you understand? Looking at what we've seen on YouTube, him as a striker. Pirates, they need that. Defensive and other things, they are good. But Pambi, abekomnand, and that guy, he's the interby right now go Pirates. And I think they'll want to try him out. For me personally, so he's gonna play more games. Watching and look at Richie Slade. They left after Glal, then they saw good. Actually, this guy is nice. They started giving him more game time. Understand? So I think this guy, first game, because of also the hype behind it, and the PR and everything, this guy is gonna get the first game or second game is gonna play.
All right.
I wanted to ask because currently Ageko even he's not training with the team. Yeah, so
Okay.
he won't be anyway.
Saturday.
Uzaba khona uzaba angekho nge1.
I think uzobe khona, but I doubt ukuthi uzobe khona.
Uzoba kuma-consistent.
Yes, because remember in guys, kumele ukuthi nihlakanipheni mazwika la. Okay, so angithi umjida bekakhona eSpain, but azange size simbone. So for the reason ukuthi abekhona, it was for him ukuthi akwazi ukujela, understand ama teammates nan. Bekukuthi akwazi ukujela with i-team ayibone maybe style of play, I don't know, but ukuthi just abe ne-picture yala ayakhona. So currently he's not playing, but I think even angeke bamfake on Saturday because I understand the atmosphere yase arena.
Oh,
You know.
okay. Okay.
I'm still.
Arena.
I'm
I
still.
said arena.
I'm still.
Oh,
Babjibisa le udlala kuphe Iraq.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bampesa. Abathi bayamkhipha utshwala. Kwizinto tikhali kukitsive Iraq indoda. Yo.
Sipho Mbuli, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I think I was just answering that Uguti, he won't be available. I think he won't be available Gwamanja, but maybe the next
MTN 8.
We are 5 Pirates. Ne?
me?
Yazi
No.
Okay.
Chita bazomfaka kusele 10 minutes Saturday,
Yeah, yes.
and it's gonna be a habit. Bazomsebenzisa as a super sub cause bazofuna ukuthatha ungwana sethi bazofuna ukumthatha bamenze their main striker.
And then nikhumbule ukuthi phela awukwazi ukuba yi-super sub uma ungayenzanga anything superior. So
That's why ngithi bazomnika 10 minutes. Ubhek first game yakhe, first debut kuzoba yi-10 minutes.
yeah, besabe yi-sub, not i-super sub.
Sub.
Do we have any player ofile ukuthi Pirates yenza like good signing or yathola like the best player when it comes to signing?
When it comes to signing,
Not
yeah,
even this season, maybe previous season.
yo, there are a lot of good players
Just
for
mention
Pirates.
maybe one.
I will count Abu.
Who takes
Chess Galaxy.
Yeah, Bilibili is a good signing.
Akanayo uDumsana on top of his
Why?
head.
Wait, yeah, I'm not a Pirates fan. I'm not a Pirates fan. I'm also thinking ukuthi Pirates le that was my favorite. Ukuthi ama player lawo bebawa signile or bebawa promotile like from kwinto like abo Dugudugu. Then yabo. I used to enjoy ibhola le Pirates. Akusi
Stumza, do we have any player ofile ngathi it was maybe a best signing for Orlando Pirates? Stumza.
What Dijon?
La,
Dijon?
siku Stumza la.
No, like I'm trying to think. Okay, what police?
Police.
Yeah. Bet.
Better. Better.
No, I said best. Kahle kahle, yes, better signing. Yes.
I will say we are police.
Okay.
Yeah, but they've signed good players.
Oh, I think I just wanted to understand ukuthi maybe ilihlo lakho linokukubonisa ezinye izinto because
No, zikhona izinto ezi-right nge-Pirates. Zikhona. Besides ukuthenga i-league, zikhona izinto ezi-right, guys. Like it's just that lawo ma-own goal nyana few snacks nyana angcolisa igama le-Pirates. But Pirates is good.
moving on to I think this is the last topic.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
the last.
Just like
Not yet. I want to know your take on Orlando Pirates opening a store. What is your take on that?
Bavuleni?
A store.
Install
Kuphi?
a Mall of Africa.
I am Mazimba Stumza ngithi bavule ishop.
No. Phela ungakhohlwa ukuthi akhona ama-trendsetter. Wait. Akhona ama-trendsetter. You know ukuthi bayalandela. They don't have. Mawufuna i-merchandise etshentshe
It's a village.
sikhona
Oh, not that
e-village.
one.
No, wait, guys. Orlando Pirates is the first team in Africa to have an actual store. Orlando Pirates, where mongena phakathi into Orlando Pirates kuphela.
So
It's a first team.
mawungena e-village uthola iikipa ze-Sundowns.
Stumza.
I-village la inochirena.
Yeah.
It's a Casey store.
It's
Do
a
you
Casey store.
does it count?
It
It's a
is.
store.
But why am I states Orlando Pirates is the first team to have an
No,
actual
maybe-
store?
Maybe at the mall.
Akithi
Maybe.
base
Maybe
Mall of
the
Africa.
first one
Hmm?
in the mall.
Akithi base Mall of Africa.
And the
Ba
bad
winning
thing
league.
ukuthi
Okay, let me fact check that, guys. No man, singabi nesquares. Let me check.
Yeah.
We can even move on.
No.
I was just asking, Jay. It's not part of.
ithi ngitshele kuzofana nento ne-Fabiano ukabona ukuthi ihlale empty kanjani mara ikipa zakhona sigcwele. The only team that I see ngo-Odacom, it's Orlando Pirates. Uvoda. Yeah. Uviwe hawa.
So correct me, Karabo. The one SA arena. Yinile because I need to. There's a shop lapaya.
Mm.
Yeah,
Le
yinile.
Black Label, the
Karabo.
stall.
Usho ukuthi lento se Orlando.
Yes, ngibuza ukuthi ifola under in. Angithi you saying ikhona shop eNaturen. Guys, can please angithi khona ishop eNatureland. So I'm
Yes.
asking ukuthi what's different? Phela I don't understand. I just want you to school me ukuthi what's different from the one it's a Orlando and the one it's a Natureland. Is it the same thing?
Yakabani
or-
Orlando.
No.
Angibuzwa
Remember,
lokho.
remember KC, the owner in Naturen.
That was my question.
Ne? The arena, it's a lease property. Pirates doesn't have a home. Aina kaya. You understand?
Okay. So yeah.
Noma ngaye Mayfair, lock train wakhona like le dollars zakhona.
So you're saying with even the one it's a Mall of Africa, it's not their store because it's
No,
yes,
it's their store because everything is written Orlando Pirates, ne?
yeah.
But they are leasing. They under lease.
Okay.
Tina lapaya we don't pay anything. Let us sibhatala umasipala nje ama services.
Nama employees.
Nothing more.
I would yabona lena it's above my pay rate because lena my team survive nje ngo lena I debate yama rivals lena, so I'm staying out of it.
Okay, I found it, guys.
All right.
Let me read it. It says Orlando Pirates have launched a new flagship store at the Mall of Africa, marking a historic step in their commercial evolution. This store is the first in PSL history to operate a fully dedicated retail space inside a major mall, offering fans and central location to engage with the brand and purchase official merchandise. The store features authentic Adidas merch shirts, training wear, lifestyle clothing, and exclusive club branded products.
Okay.
Yeah, that, but
Ngicela ukubuza one thing.
Yeah.
I-KC ayikazama neshop eCarlton.
Asikaze Dumsana. If beyikhona ngabe phela sifunda ngayo. So ayikazi.
Usho?
Into engakazi ibe khona
Sure.
le. Yes. 100.
no, but
Look at, if you can see the guy, Udrip is avala before ivulwa manje ne. Angena kwenye kunenye shop where they sell products abanye abantu in a sense. Uthole chiefs maybe they've rented ama shelves in certain shops, but now because chiefs is a big brand, it's a big team. More figure lapho ubona kuyellow, so you assume ukuthi store sabo. But for me if ingabhalwa ngaKaizer Chiefs phezulu mongena store itaxi store sabo according to me. Compared to Orlando Pirates mongena it's Orlando Pirates whatever.
Mnandi ngoba le Pirates uyigugulile. You can still google your Chiefs.
no
Ngabe imeshiniwe.
mara mina bengisho ukuthi it states ukuthi the first in a mall.
Major mall.
Exactly.
In a major mall.
Yeah.
Ungashiyo lelo gama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you mean ukuthi
In a major mall.
kungenzeka ukuthi Pimville Mall KC ke yaba nesitolo. Okay, it's fine. Let's move on. No, like
No, I just want to say that's why you need that too. Yeah.
Clock it.
Yes.
Una 4.
oh yeah.
I4.
Yeah, una 4.
Okay.
You don't claim those ones, eh?
So this one is about the club World Cup prize money. So reports so Chelsea reportedly earned more for winning the FIFA Club World Cup than Spain earning for winning the FIFA World Cup. So questions have been coming up. Guti, is this difference fair? And then Guti, what does it say about the money when it comes to the club and the FIFA World Cup? So I think the question here, Ingmele ngabe siyayibona ukuthi should FIFA increase the prize money in the Club World Cup? I mean in the FIFA
The
World
FIFA World
Cup.
Cup bayekela ukuthenga ama game for watching TV.
Yo, Chico, quickly check, please, man. The previous Club World Cup, how many teams were there? No.
32.
Previously,
I think
remember,
32.
the Club World Cup was played by about 16 teams.
Yeah,
8
I think now
teams.
it was 32.
Yeah, because Amanyama teams would play group stages and then Abu UEFA champions, Abu Banbane, they will join in later sebadlala i-last 4 or last 8 if I'm not yes, Club World Cup. So this one le ebedlala abo eyayenza abo Ribeiro babe big headed le yakugcina. I think imali eqale ukunyuka lapho. I just want to make sure ukuthi how many
32.
32 teams.
Yeah.
Meaning ukuthi badlale about 6 games until the conclusion, and then the actual World Cup played about 8 games until the final, from group stages until the final. So uyabona ukuthi a question of credibility comes in ukuthi how come at club level you earn more than
Because the World Cup,
it's the ultimate in football.
It's crazy because I think Club World Cup Chelsea they won $150 million, while right now Spain are winning $50 million.
Sure,
euros,
that's
dollars.
huge.
Yeah, that gap it's very yeah.
But
It doesn't make sense to be honest.
a partnership, yeah,
But zonke is a FIFA, ne?
Yeah,
they
it's on
are all
FIFA.
FIFA competitions, but there must be something ukuthi probably clubs are more appealing than national teams. We can never know. Maybe it's easy to say ukuthi Barcelona will be there, Real Madrid will be there, Bayern Munich will be there. You see, it's a combination of superstars in those teams, so it's probably more appealing to sponsors and people in general. ukuthi they get to see them all at once. Because right now you check ukuthi there was no Italy in the World Cup, and probably there's a player edlalela a certain team in a player let's say Italy in the Club World Cup. I don't understand how come there's such a huge difference in terms of prize winning.
You know, on this one, if FIFA is also imali. You see, on this World Cup, we're going to country outright. And it host he host them, nama co-host. On the next World Cup, it's 6. Yeah, it's 6. It's Morocco, Argentina. You can count them. We pay it up. Also by 6.
I think maybe it will be 6 because they consider add more teams.
No, besides that.
Okay.
What's the
I
one?
saw 3.
Mawudla imali mele ube nendlela right. I-Club World Cup idlalele country neyi-1. It was USA, I think. Like transportation or whatever, it was around USA. There was no border to border in yabo ama-costa unnecessary. You see, so I think that's why imali yakhona ibe low.
In terms of by from logistics.
Logistics, you understand? They needed to add.
But don't you think with the revenue, is it the revenue? Because I guess this one, it was it's rated as one of the I don't know best when it comes to your revenues. So do you think ukuthi even the revenue Club World Cup was being good? If that's the case.
Karabo is still 3 for now. As it's all
Okay.
Morocco, Portugal, and Spain who are hosting.
Argentina is
28.
there as well.
Neighbors.
So abaga 8 so far. Maybe the bazo announce it later. Oh, actually, ngiyayibona le
No.
Argentina. We seeing
There's
there is
6.
Spain, Portugal, Morocco, Argentina, Uruguay. In
Yes.
there, Croatia.
I see some countries.
Akusase World Cup nje.
You see what
No, but you know why? It's a campaign. I think that's what because but it's 100 years of football history. So I'm sure maybe World Cup is over. Is it 100 years? I guess because that's the slogan now.
yeah.
So maybe that's why they wanna have more team hosting, unless they wanna do it moving forward. It's a practical. I don't know.
Then
Okay.
it means sizobuyela host Mustan very soon.
Yeah,
Oh,
yes,
mara
absolutely.
so host na bobana.
Yeah, but then
Who are the hosts there? I get to go to co-host.
Yeah, but our neighbors abuti come on.
neSwaziland.
Mfethu
guys,
batho
come
ba
on.
badlala di game tsa
Yes.
bona tsa national team ko
Yeah,
Kodwa
bazo
kusendlini.
angithi azoza ngapha, it's fine.
so re tla co-host le bo mang. And then so should we say re co-host le bo Sibale kwa akere ke bo
Yeah.
Untatebo akhona.
Like,
Yeah.
how's that today?
Serious.
Karabo, today. While we're still onto that, because I think after this topic, maybe what I read, it's ibuya from Lentos Kumangan. So I saw that, but the FIFA, the FIFA World Cup, bazamukutengisa ama-shares to private investors or companies, not not all, not even 50%, like bathengisa just a quarter, like maybe 10% of ama-shares up, and the reason for that ukwakha revenue. So bekunama-debate, I think the one ephume kakhulu, it was Euro, UEFA. UEFA was complaining ukuthi now Dumisani bavumelana nawe lento hlala uyisho ukuthi they wanna change football the way ingakhona when they introducing whatever this commercial things, you understand? So bathi bona they are against it, bafeel ukuthi izobe imosha ibhola the way lingakhona. But the reason for that, ithi FIFA izoletha imali, you know, and that money will ile ezoya like into the world when it comes to ukukhulisa football yet. Maybe like us in like Africa we're struggling kancane. Maybe imali lezo yile ezo, yes, our infrastructure, yes, when we compare to other continent or yes, so sistruggleisha kancane because of ama development wethu awafani, you understand? So that was one of the things engizifundile that stood out, yabo. So I'm thinking ukuthi probably because this topic is khuluma ngayo ukuthi imali ye Club World Cup was more than the World Cup, so that's why we're trying to introduce lama private investors ukuthi awabe khona, so that imali maybe izokhona ukukhuphuka, imali izokhona ukunyuka. So I don't know what's your take on that ukuthi, because according to FIFA it's for a good cause, okuthi like izokunceda ibhola lethu, not lethu. They did not say Africa, you understand? They said ukuthi nje like whoever, wonke
Football in
umuntu
general.
uzobenefita, yes, from that money. But now the concern UEFA was that once na included the private investors, wona ingqondo yabo isekutheni akube nama profit. So they will try by all means ukuthi kube maybe because they also mentioned with bangathi akube nama tournament amaningi, bangayenza enye tournament before the World Cup, you understand, just for them ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola imali. But they did state, the FIFA did state ukuthi they're not selling half of the shares, it's just leyo portion leyo, just ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola le mali le, of which it's, I don't know, I think it's multiplied mangabe beyibala. I just don't have the article with me, but imali enkulu. So I don't know what's your take on that.
Remember a couple of weeks ago there was a story of that Saudi Arabia, or where the guys that wanted to buy Safa.
Yeah.
So I think it's a norm that's going to keep on occurring moving forward, because of now there's these people, they can see good there's money in football. We understand, and people want to increase their margins when it comes to profit. So the easiest way and quickest way to do that, it's in terms of uguti ube associated netball. You understand? Because now your brand will be globally accessible. It's not like it's as in port. You know, you'll be surprised to find out uguti Rolex is pumping millions into golf, but you hardly see them on billboards and stuff like that. But football gives you that exposure. You get to be on a FIFA logo, the company. So probably that's how they want to monetize by buying Zemar. But should it fall into the wrong hands, our football will be gone for good, because where there's money, there's always trouble that will fall, especially when it's a large sum of money that they are mentioning.
Because I think even the European nation,
Yeah.
it's they might boycott the next FIFA World Cup if that's the case.
You see,
Yes.
and those ones are capable. They can form their own World Cup, Laban. Euro.
Yeah.
And I will participate because bazobadinga ngithi I'm all members, so they won't need to qualify. So Sizoya ne Kaizer Chiefs. No, but I feel like ukuthi ngokwenza kanjalo it's more like ukuthi you now opening a room for Wolves of Wall Street because obviously labantu laba bafuna profit guys, like let's be honest. And also I foresee more like stage even more now because of like inject cash. Yes, it might be 10% now, but you don't know which is a continue easy figure goopy. Then bese bagwazi ukuthi bathathe control of everything. So bagwazi ukutshela ukuthi manje okay, now it's official, this is how ibhola lizodlala ngakhona.
World
We
Cup every
now
2 years.
moving to eight players instead of 11. Now we're having 2 goalkeepers. You see, now we're taking the Lesotho style where sidlalela entabeni urefu uhlala esihlahleni. Is ground stadium sentabeni. Kunesihlahla center. Urefu uhlala esihlahleni like
I've been to Lesotho.
it's like
Ama
that.
grounds mahle lapha, even though they are not well developed, yabo. But fair, they are not serious. Mina ngumtswana, don't worry.
Yeah, no, but like
Guys,
like
that's
serious or
Dumzo's-
ukibele hashi or something like that, yabo. So yeah, man, I feel like ukuthi man, guys, we should stick to the originality of it. Even though singati yes, it's funu develop senzeni, let them put those things kwi ladies soccer or something. Abantu abasadinga imali. Tina we okay guys, we are sorted, and we are still struggling to this thing ukuthi kumele siyodlala ama direct football. We should forget into that mawuqala ukora amagoli amaningi, they saying we are being disrespectful. Mawudribula we are being disrespectful. It's like that. You cannot score 24 goals or 28 as Sundowns. You can't do that. It's not like
No,
ukuthi you can score, but kuba ukuthi you are disrespecting the opponent. Kumele
Lelo
ukore
rule.
ubuye nganeno.
Showboating,
So
you
it's
can't.
like now they
yabo.
are putting more pressure on us ukuthi kumele sidlale lento le bafuna ukuyidlala now. It's unfair ukuthi Egypt ishaye uMessi. Guys, no.
Karabo.
Yeah, man, I think they're not longer following a tradition of football. Yabo. Football is football, in fact. Even if you go back to Abopele, Abobanban, that was football. Right now, in fact, if football say na mithatho by above VAR, if VAR for me, yeah, moshi ball. Yeah, moshi ball. Understand? In fact, okay, hydration break is sharp, I call sharp, but it be sharp for a certain time, man.
Ayikho sharp. Ayikho
Yeah,
sharp.
she is.
No, kudala kushisa. Chico, ubuya le kudala kushisa. No. It does not need all the players to run out bayophuza amanzi. One player can go ayothatha isigubhu. Mawudlala ibhola like uyakwazi tekhaza man uyakhona ukuthi udlule lapha ngaselani uthatha amanzi waphuza. It has always been like that. Ispan sakho riding le. Angeke uzongitshela ukuthi hey une show ye 3 hours kumele uhambe endlini yolanda isikhaftini uphinde ubuye.
No, a problem. Kunama temperature machines. That's a problem. Eqaleni bewangekho.
So bebafa laba bokuqala.
We don't say bebafa mfethu. But now angithi obviously healthy.
Futhi sishaya ngama player mawuthapha away now. So that's the problem.
And
We
the
are
tap away strong.
abalandelela umlando.
we're programming all these things. There is no way singathi kumele sime 15 minutes for ukuthi bayophuza amanzi.
Oh man, onto that guys, the World Cup since nje idlala ngabo June
Yeah,
Yeah.
throughout.
yeah.
So I guess atmosphere ishintshile ke yabo, because maybe ngizotsi in my head because kumele la isarafika idlala ngoJune. Ngapha it's cold. Around June. When you go to America, it's summer ngathi and it's hot. Yabo, so I thought maybe it's their first time would say kube ne World Cup during that season, you know. But if
It's
yeah,
always in June.
it's always in June.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
la manje
sure.
abakwazi waba nama head.
Asho ukuthi ilanga lamanje belenza
Yeah,
kakhulu.
lela manje lentswempe ozone le iphelile.
We're good. No, if we're good, I think this is the end of it.
Uvini nobuso bakhe.
No.
No, but Vini also man, it's a weird transfer, man. I think he's going to Arsenal.
Yeah, I heard.
Yeah,
Akusi AI leyo.
You know, it's not. It's going to Arsenal actually. I think Arsenal they are number one on the bid for Uvi. You know, and for me, I think it's a good move.
No, yazi ukuthi le movie ngakhoswa yini unto Mourinho
No, but no, but bane issue yemali, right? That certain having issues. Unenkinga zemali. Uvini. He wants to erase or something of that sort. Yabo? So that's the reason why also, because now I think because of that he wants to move. But besides Zega Mourinho, for me I think it's a good move. He's been there for the longest time, you know. I think going to EPL and also going to Arsenal, because Arsenal, remember we had issues with they don't like signing players. That's why sometimes the league it was hard for them to win it. You understand?
bayomkhahlela laphana kuse England guys.
Yo,
Bayomkhahlela England bazomkhahlela straight.
You don't think he will fit there?
Yeah?
he,
What? Ukawa notice ukuthi ama Brazilian players most of them ababi successful
I
ngale.
wanted to come there.
Ababi successful bayomkhahlela straight lapha yana kudlalwa lapha yibo ke laba bathi mawudribula uya disrespect yibo ke laba ngiyakutshela ubheke wena uzobuya.
I'll never gel there.
Mm.
Never. Actually, that's a bad move.
Serious.
Even if we consider because unenkinga zemali, then akasayeli uthando laphaya. Desperation. Simple.
No, for me, I feel ukuthi they are just trying to reduce a number of egos lapana in that
Yes. Yeah.
dressing room Madrid, and I think
Special one.
Mourinho has told him maybe ukuthi, because you see how much money they are spending on that guy from Ivory Coast, the I forgot his name, the guy they just signed, the winger. No,
The one.
yeah, he also has things
Yeah.
like that. And I think Mourinho told him, Oguti, if you're not gonna be a luxury player for me. I think he has told him that, Oguti, you're gonna be a luxury player. It's either you're gonna put in the work, or you get out of my team, because Mourinho is that type of coach. He tells you straight, Oguti, if uzohlala la, then you're gonna do things my way. So, and futhi Mourinho doesn't want to have a headache yokuthi kumele aplizane nama ego sapaya lapha no Bellingham or Mbappe or Vini. You know, he'll bring in those hardworking players, but ayazi ukuthi they'll do the job for him. So I think Vini is a casualty. Mourinho ukuthi he's not gonna fit in his plans if he thinks he's gonna be a luxury player. He wants players who are going to track back, and you can't get that from Ovi. And it's unfortunate ukuthi I don't see him making the grade in the Premier League.
I think
because he-
itikiti yakhe yokubuyela eBrazil. I'm telling you. After England, after Premier League, the akukho la azoya khona. Itikiti yakhe yokubuyela eBrazil, yes, or else aye kuba
Yeah.
South Arabia. And also the cause remember ukuthi Mourinho is not a long-term coach. Mourinho ufuna results quick. I think that's why also Madrid imlandile, because they know ukuthi uzofika fixe 1 2 3 then 3 season 2 trophies or 4 trophies then uyahamba futhi.
Still convinced he's gonna do. He's gonna jail for it.
Now you want Brian.
if he does, I think Arsenal will have to change the way they are playing. Because if you check Arsenal last season, you had Trossard and Martinelli on the left. You had Saka and that guy, the one who was. Oh yeah, you see, you had Saka and like you could see Uguti, Madoke. You could see Uguti, they alternated very well when Trossard was starting. You knew Uguti come second half, Martinelli will come and finish the job, because they were running the flanks. Same applies on the right. If Saka is starting, you knew second half Mudeki will come back in the second half. The pace will be the same, because they tried to save energy and maintain the same standard. You understand? I don't see Vini doing that, my bra. I don't see him doing that unless they are going to play him as a false nine.
Yeah, I think that
Yeah,
also
they might do that. They might do that.
Okay,
But as a winger,
so basically when I'm thinking Arsenal,
Do you think he can score goals?
for me, as a fan of the team, I doubt he'll improve that team.
For
Maybe
me,
in
ne,
terms of
for me, Arsenal, my issue with Arsenal is
yeah,
the one that last season they almost fumbled the league as well. Into bajulu kuyenza every season.
yeah.
Yeah, if Man City they didn't fumble those few games, will be Arsenal 40 about winning league, you understand? So for me, it shows there's still a problem, Kaika, that needs to be fixed within Arsenal. How they played last season, if they want to do the same thing this season, they're not going to win that league. You understand? So for me, having someone like Kuvini, besides other things, he's a scoring machine. He scores goals. You understand? So I think they'll have to find ways.
accommodate.
Yeah,
into
then
that
they have
team,
no
yeah.
choice. Because to be honest, Arsenal, I'm not a fan of Arsenal, but last season, being favored Arsenal. And they were doing interview every season, good Babulu Gap, then Nick Masses Opela, Amatimba, Ayasonde, you understand? And they almost fumbled the league last season. So it shows it's a flop then. Let's have Uvini. They have to make it work. I want a choice.
We'll see.
But it's gonna be difficult. Uyokhipha bani ground in it.
Baningi abantu angabakhipha. Baningi abantu angabakhipha mara the question nje ukuthi hey bazomkhaba shame. I honestly bazomkhaba ngaye abadlali. I've never heard a lot of players complaining about it.
Also another issue.
So yena isicathulo uzosithola.
Yeah.
Which team are you supporting?
Menu Baba.
Abantu bakudala.
Menu Baba.
Chiefs
Supporter with Chiefs.
Yeah.
Chiefs.
Menu Baba.
Angeke ba-understand as ama-supporter we-Chiefs.
Mina ipaint sengijwayele by the way. So dala basetha mfethu. So ipaint sayazi.
Yeah, I think that's it from me. The G lady of the house, Karabo, thank you so much for joining us today. Hope to see you soon.
Thank you, Ghost.
Siyabonga. 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 Oh, I saw the views as well. I saw the views as well.
Episode where it's just
Sengibuza ukuthi senzeni siphinde futhi.
Akuphela so spicy.
Oh yeah, no, I Siyabonga, guys. Thank you very much, Ghost, for having us. Guys, please continue to subscribe and view our channel. Let's keep on growing together, Siyabonga.
Okay.
Danko.
Okay, guys, all day. Ne? All day. Ivule. Angithi ngifuna ukuthi ama-viewers abe ngibatshela into ezwakalayo ukuthi mnandi like
Wefuna ukuyenza isiJonas, ukuyishare isiJonas.
No, guys, we're still looking forward to our sponsors, more especially our Sekase Orange Farm, because you need to showcase your talent. Asikhathele lento leyo ukuthi Orange Farm ungena ku-TikTok ubona amaphanga. Cabanga amaphanga, uboys togunda ama-dreads no iphanga. No, let's continue subscribing, guys.
Danko.